Okay, I'm about to make some ribs again. I got my little special rub right there I made. Right now what I'm doing is I'm putting some oil on the ribs. I'm using vegetable oil, but it could be vegetable oil, corn oil, whatever oil, little oil that you want. I'm putting this oil on here so the special rub I made will stick to the meat. So give me 1 second. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is just take my little special rub. I'm going to just sprinkle it all on the meat, right? I made a nice generous amount. I'm just going to sprinkle it all over the meat. And let that get all over there. And what you're going to do now is do what it is. It's a rub. And you're just going to rub it in. Rub it into the meat. Rub it into the meat. I'm going to take some more to rub. Rub it in. I got the oven. My oven set to 250. More or less 275 because I'm going to let this cook for a little while. But you're just going to let it rub it in, and let it sit for a little while. And put a little generous amount on there. But you don't want to use it all because what I'm going to do is right before I take it out, I'm going to put some more rub on it. I'm going to put some more rub onto it while it's still in the oven and let it bake. Alright. Now, I know y'all asking, what's in the rub? It's a secret. It's a little secret. I can't tell you. That won't be my secret recipe no more. Everybody be doing it. And you want to let that sit, and then turn it over and repeat. What? Sorry, I was interrupted. Anyway, I'm going to put a nice generous amount here also. It's all right here. Do the same thing. Rub it on in. Just rub it on in. Rub it on in. Got a little flap there. Rub it on in. Rub it on in. Got these little overlays. Rub it on in. Just rub it on in. Close that over. sure, just continue doing it. You made a nice generous amount of rub. Just rub it on in. Just be generous with it. Be nice and generous with the rub. Don't worry about putting too much, just put it on in. Now you got some sitting on the side. And just pick it up off the side and rub it on in there. That's a healthy rib there. Put some here. Put some here. Now what you want to do is let this sit for like 10 minutes before you put it in the oven. Turn it back over. That's how it's gonna look. Just take a little bit more. Like I said, you're gonna be generous with it. Be generous. Be generous with it. Sit just like that. Okay, I'll give away one secret of what I use. Just one. Alright, because you gotta fill all this up with a liquid. And it ain't gonna be water. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, the one secret I'm gonna give away. Now remember I told you gotta put some type of liquid in here? This is what the liquid is. Now usually I don't use this one. I use the unsweetened one, but this is all I got left here. So I'm gonna shake it up. Shake it up good. And what you're gonna do is just pour it in here, all around the edges. Usually it's more, but I don't know if I got more. Let me check. Yes, there was more. So just pour the apple juice. Pour the apple juice in there. And it's gonna make its way around. And then you just put it in the oven. Alright, I'll bring you an update. Whoops. Just sprinkle this a touch more around here. Alright, y'all. That look good, don't it? Don't it? Yes, it does. Doesn't that just look delicious? Alright, so I'll come back a little later. I'm about to pop this in the oven. Peace, y'all.